Okay, so picture this. You are at the park just after sunset, the sky is that perfect deep blue before full dark, and someone nearby launches a drone. But instead of the usual black buzzing quadcopter disappearing into the darkness, this thing lights up. Blue, green, purple, cycling through colors as it climbs, shifting patterns every time it banks or accelerates. People stop walking, kids point. Every single person within 50 meters is staring at it. That drone is the Skyrocket Nova FX. And today we are unboxing it, setting it up, testing every single light mode, and finding out once and for all if those LED lights are as genuinely spectacular as the box promises or just clever marketing photography. Before we open anything, let me show you this box, because the packaging alone tells you exactly what kind of product this is. Skyrocket by Skyrocket LLC, the same brand that has been making award-winning consumer drones for over a decade. On the front of the box, you have a hero image of the drone mid-flight with those propeller LEDs glowing in full spectrum color. The key claims on the packaging: 24 LED light zones, 25 plus light patterns, adaptive mode, auto launch and land, one-touch stunts, and the 2024 Napa Award winner badge. That last one matters because the Napa Award is judged by parents and tested by actual kids, not marketing teams. When a toy wins that award, it genuinely earned it in real-world testing by real families, not lab conditions. That gives us a solid baseline of confidence before we even open the box. Opening the box now. The drone sits in a fitted plastic tray and it immediately looks exactly like the box promised. The body is black and compact. The 4 propellers are translucent, with LEDs embedded in the tips and along the blade length, and next to the drone sits the controller, a proper gamepad-style remote that feels surprisingly solid for a toy category product. You immediately notice the glowing green FX button on the right side of the controller and the dedicated launch and land button on the left. These are not hidden menu functions. They are physical, dedicated buttons you can find without looking away from the drone. That is thoughtful, intentional design that tells you the engineers at Skyrocket actually thought about the user experience rather than just cramming features onto a spec sheet. Full contents out of the box: the Nova FX drone, the 2.4 GHz gamepad controller, a removable 7V1200 mAh LiPo rechargeable battery, a USB charging cable, 4 replacement propellers as a full spare set, optional protective blade guards, a small screwdriver for propeller changes, and the instruction manual. The battery slides into the body of the drone from underneath and locks in with a satisfying click. The USB charger plugs directly into the battery while it is still in the drone, which is a genuinely convenient design choice that other brands should copy. One thing the box does not mention loudly enough: the controller needs 3 AAA batteries, and they are not included. That is the one thing you need to buy before your first flight. Everything else is in the box. Just have 3 AAA batteries ready and you are flying within 15 minutes of opening this package. That is a genuinely fast setup time for any RC product, and it is one of the things Skyrocket consistently gets right across their entire lineup. Now let me explain why the LED system on this drone is actually different from any other consumer drone you have seen at this price. Most drones have a few LED dots for orientation: red on the back, green on the front, a handful of status lights. That is not what is happening here. Each of the 4 propellers on the Nova FX contains 6 individually controllable RGB LED segments built directly into the blade structure. That is 24 total LED zones across the entire drone, each capable of displaying any color in the full RGB spectrum independently. When the motors spin up and those propellers hit flight speed, those 24 zones merge visually into 4 continuous glowing rings of color. From above or below or the side, the effect is 4 spinning discs of light, not 4 blinking dots. It looks completely different from anything else in the sky. The light mode system has over 25 patterns. You cycle through them by tapping the FX button on the controller. Each tap changes the mode, and the controller beeps at a different pitch to confirm the selection. To change the color within any mode, you hold the FX button and tap the stunt button simultaneously. The system is fast and intuitive once you have done it twice. The standout mode, and the one that makes this drone genuinely special, is adaptive mode. In adaptive mode, the drone's flight processor reads your stick inputs and real-time speed data, and uses that information to dynamically change what the LEDs are doing. Bank hard left and the color pattern shifts. Punch the throttle and the lights brighten and accelerate. Perform a flip and the LEDs fire through a full cycle during the maneuver. It means every flight in adaptive mode produces a completely unique light show that no two pilots would ever replicate identically. That is genuinely impressive software engineering packed into a $60 consumer toy. Flight performance. The advanced flight software in the Nova FX is doing real work behind the scenes on every flight. Precision electronics are constantly analyzing the drone's position and attitude and making micro corrections to counteract wind pressure, slight battery imbalances, and any unintended deviations. In practice, this means the drone hovers extremely steadily in beginner mode without constant stick inputs. You let go of the throttle stick and the drone holds its altitude and position. For a first-time flyer, that is an enormous confidence builder. Pressing the launch button takes off automatically to a stable hover height without any throttle input at all. Pressing it again initiates a smooth, controlled automatic landing. For a child's first drone or an adult who has never flown before, these two buttons alone make the Nova FX dramatically more accessible than traditional RC drones. Stunts work off a dedicated button. Tap the stunt button while flying forward, and the drone executes a clean barrel roll in the direction of travel. Hold the stunt button while hovering, and tap the directional stick in any of 4 directions, and the drone flips that way. Both stunts look spectacular with the LED lights firing through the rotation. A barrel roll in adaptive mode at dusk is genuinely one of the most visually impressive things a $60 consumer product has ever produced. Safety features are solid too. If the drone goes upside down, the motors cut automatically. If the controller goes out of range, the drone auto-lands at its current position rather than flying away uncontrolled. Flight time runs 8 to 10 minutes per charge depending on throttle usage, wind conditions, and how aggressively you are running the LED light system. The LEDs do draw additional power compared to a non-lit drone, so expect the lower end of that range on full brightness adaptive mode sessions. The battery is removable, so a spare battery means you double your session time immediately. Skyrocket sells official spare batteries and any 7-volt LiPo with a JST connector is compatible. Honest verdict. The Skyrocket Nova FX does exactly one thing better than any other consumer drone at this price point, and it does that one thing spectacularly well. The LED light show experience, especially in adaptive mode at dusk or after dark, is genuinely unlike anything else you will find under $80. The flight technology underneath is solid, beginner-friendly, and well thought out. The build quality is appropriate for a 12+ toy drone. If you want a drone that looks like every other black quadcopter, there are dozens of cheaper options. But if you want to be the person at the park whose drone makes strangers stop and stare, the Nova FX is the only answer in this price category. Links to check current pricing are in the description below. Hit the like button if those LED lights impressed you, drop a comment telling me which light pattern is your favorite, and subscribe for more gadget and toy unboxings every single week.